Hello, it's day 23 of our 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living Challenge, and I'm so excited. It's the day we've all been waiting for. We're finally going to start decluttering our closets. So we've already gone through a lot of things in the closet, right? We've already done winter gear, we've done your workout stuff, we've done PJs, so we've done shoes. Let's now focus on everything that remains. And don't overthink it. I think everybody has at least one item hanging in their closet that they just do not love and they know that they'll never wear it or it doesn't fit. There's something wrong with it. We're really just looking for those pieces. So I'm going to just kind of flip through each thing that's hanging one by one. And the first time I come across something that I'm like, that's not for me, I'm just going to pull it out. If you have anything that you're like, maybe, I suggest taking all the maybes and hanging them together in one section of your closet because we will revisit this project later. Don't forget to go through things like your handbags, what else? Handbags, maybe your sock drawer, all of that fun stuff. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, I already found a good amount of stuff that I don't want to keep, so I'm going to consign some of them and I'm going to donate the rest to a local shelter. And while I'm at it, this shelf has been driving me bananas for a long time. They're all like oversized tote bags. So I think I'm going to try moving some shelves around and hanging them from here instead. Okay, I feel so much better about this now. I can see all of the big tote bags hanging. I moved the smaller handbags down, and then I just need to drill a couple of holes in here because I'm not happy with where they are right now. So then I'll add 1 or 2 shelves back in. Feeling good. I'm motivated. See you all tomorrow.